Check out this 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.